Hey guys, I'm at my storage. I need to get some stuff done. Shit about it. Storage. Here's my stuff that I'm taking. Can y'all see it? I don't know if you got a good see. I have this is paperwork. I have 3 bags of paperwork. Y'all probably can't see it. I'll see, can I flip? So I'm just leaving my storage. Just leaving my storage. I have 3 bags that I am going to declutter. 3 bags of paper that I'm going to declutter. December to declutter. Stephanie Perry. So I'm just leaving my storage. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I do have a 2-room indoor storage. They say that it's temperature controlled, but think about this. If you live in a drafty house and yeah, you have the heat on in the winter and the air on in the summer, but for your taste, you may like the heat up a few more notches, or in the summer, you might like the air up a few more notches or something like that. So although it is temperature controlled, on cold days, to me, it feels cold in there. And yes, I can put on a throw and kind of layer up, and it does work, but I don't like to be like that. I like to just be warm without having to put on all these layers. Now, I'm leaving the storage and I have gathered these things. I have a box and I have 2 bags. You probably can't tell from this bag here, but there's a lot of papers in this bag. Same with that bag over there. So I'm starting the Stephanie Perry's December to Declutter challenge. I'm gonna consider this 1 bag because everything in the box and the orange bag is going into this big bag, clearish bag here. So I am throwing this out. I'm gonna go through the paperwork tonight and I'm getting rid of it. Join me in the December to Declutter challenge. So listen, y'all, I understand in the clip, if y'all don't understand how awesome of a decluttering start I'm off to. I understand y'all don't see it. And while it may have looked like I didn't take out much that day, I actually did take out a lot of mail. In those bags, it was a lot of mail. And I'm at the hotel room, and I wish y'all could have seen the large black trash bag of mail I disposed of that were in those bags. So it might not look like I'm off to a good start. And one of the things you have to do, you have to be realistic with your skill set. I didn't realize until in my 50s that, I can't organize. So I can't declutter effectively. What does that mean? I can declutter, but within a couple of days, maybe it's a month, everything gets right back to where it was. So I'm looking for a way to declutter where things don't get back the way they was. I read Marie Kondo's book, The Magic Joy of Decluttering. That book did not resonate with me. It did in certain points, but when she's talking about get rid of your books and stuff, and I know you can have your books online. I got 1,000 books online. My online bookshelf is cluttered. But y'all, I am really, I'm going to be serious here now. I have to figure out a way, and I am figuring out a way to get organized permanently, to permanently declutter. And that might be I have to bring in somebody to help me, and not people in your family, not your friends who they got their own clutter. They can't help you declutter. I'm going to have to bring in a professional. I don't know right now, but not declutter, but having clutter, it takes a lot of, it wastes a lot of your time because you have to spend time looking for stuff. Like right now, I'm editing a video. And I just lost 2 files. Why? Because this new laptop, it's got a bunch of clutter on it. And so with cluttering, you lose money and time. But y'all stay because I'm actually going to show y'all. Not show y'all. I'm actually going to tell y'all about if y'all enter Stephanie Perry's Declutter Challenge under me being a team captain under me, I got some gifts for y'all. Some pretty good gifts. So stay to the next clip, and I'm going to show y'all in the next clip what I have for y'all, because I understand decluttering is above me. It's not in my wheelhouse. And yeah, I did take some stuff out though. I did take some bags out. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all in the next clip. Okay, so here's the December to Declutter challenge in a nutshell. Give $1 for every bag or Give $1 for every box or bag you purge to help a Black woman take a sabbatical. And just right off the top, I am not in the running for this sabbatical that they're raising money for a Black woman to take a sabbatical, and I am not in the running. I will not benefit from. I'm not putting my name in a hat. In fact, you can put your name in a hat if you need a sabbatical to take a year off your job. But what I'm here to do today is to just encourage you to take the pledge to donate $1 per bag. So here's what she says. We're coming together to support a Black woman creator so that she can take a sabbatical from work to create her art and, of course, rest. How this works: you can give $1 or more for every box, bag, bulk item that you declutter through the end of the year. Or if you sell some items, you can give a portion of the proceeds. And you can give $1 or more for every hundred for every 100 pieces of digital declutter you delete. If you want to be a team captain, email Team Stephanie. So I volunteered to be a team captain. I want my team to be called Team Joy Route. And so if you're a team captain, you're in the running to win a $500 Airbnb gift card. So I volunteered to be a team captain. Here are the other team captains. I think she wanted to get 10 team captains, and we should hear something today. If she doesn't yet have her 10 team captains, if you want to be a team captain, you can. You definitely don't have to be. So here's how my part comes in it. I want my team to be called Team Joy Route, and I have to figure out how to change that. And she's going to give us a link to, she's going to give us a link to where people can donate, and so the donation goes under us. So when you donate, it'll go under us. Okay, so just a second. Before I get into what the prizes I will be giving away, I want to say that I donate to causes throughout the year. I volunteered with causes that I've never benefited from. I go even, I love Girl Scout cookies. I have never been a Girl Scout, neither has anybody in my family, but I love the cookies so much and I love helping people. When I grew up, we were Seventh-day Adventists, we were Pathfinders. So I'll stop at the store. What are Girl Scout cookies now? $5 or something like that. I don't know. I'm so greedy. And so I donate. So I just want to say that to say, if you're looking at it like, well, I'm not a Black woman, so I can't get this, be in the running to get this sabbatical, whatever. I'm also not in the running, not putting my name in a hat to get the sabbatical, whatever. I'm just doing it because it's a good cause. I know I'm in a motel right now, and y'all, a lot of y'all that familiar with my channel, y'all know that I live full time in my mini camper van. But because I've been having some issues with my mini camper van, I've been in a motel, and being in this motel, I am experiencing so much mental clutter. All this stuff that I do not experience when I'm outdoors, when I'm living outside of my minivan and traveling. All this mental clutter that I have, I do not experience it, not to this degree anyway. So even though with Stephanie Perry's challenge, she's saying, okay, give $1 for every box or bag you give away. Give $1 for every digital clutter you get rid of. So like if you get rid of 100 emails or 100 pictures or whatever, anything digitally that you clean up, give $1. And I say mental clutter for everything you let go of, close the suitcase on. I say give $1 for the mental clutter that you're releasing, because I'm in this motel. Like I said, all this mental clutter is just pouring out my brain, and it's not a good thing. So here's what I am going to do for a person, any person that is subscribed to my channel. The first 25 people who donate at least $10. So you can donate just up to $10. You don't have to do more. If you want to do more, you're fine. But I want to be clear. The first 25 people whose name come under this video having donated $10, you're going to be in the running. I'm going to only take that first pool of 25 people. I'm going to whatever name I pick from the 25 people, and I'll do it in a random way. They're going to get a $25 Amazon gift card. Also, they are going to get a free copy of my journal. My Joy Route journal is finished. Now, this is not the final cover. I had in doing this journal, I've had like 10 journal covers made. And although I think this cover is nice, there are some reasons why I can't use this cover. But so if you are one of the first 25 people, let me go back to the challenge. So if you are one of the first 25 people who give $10 or more, and you do it under my link, it has to be done under my link. I'm going to give you a $25 Amazon gift card. You're going to get a free copy of the Joy Route Journal, and you'll get this even though the contest ends. I think Stephanie Perry says her contest ends December 31st. My goal is to get this to the person before the 25th, provided you've donated your $10. Now, you might do a bag here, a bag there, or you might do 10 bags at once. So the first 25 people who donate $10 will be in the running for what I'll say is a $50 prize pack. So that also, just because I'm feeling kind of in a gift mood, I'm going to do some other little prizes here throughout this challenge. I don't know what they will be yet, but I will do something else. So this is for a good cause. Again, it's not benefiting me. The only way it's benefiting me and it'll benefit you is that you're going to be getting rid of clutter. Physical clutter. Oh my God, y'all know how much productivity gets in the way when you have so much physical clutter. Also mental clutter. Mental clutter is so real, and digital clutter. So I want to say, y'all, let's get at it. We can give $1 at a time. We could just get a 10. If you want to just get it over with and get a $10, but make sure you throw out 10 things, then that's fine too. I will be putting more details on my community tab page. So be sure to check my community tab. And let's see what else I need to say. If something is unclear to you, be sure to ask questions down in where you can comment. Leave a question or a comment, and I'll get back to you and answer all your questions. Thank you all so much for not only wanting to make a change in your own life, but wanting to help somebody else out. And as usual, whatever you do, however you do it, always, always, always take the joy route.